Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make this type of animation in Blender. This is purely based on physics. I did not give any keyframe on any object. So let's start this tutorial with new scene. This is default scene. So first delete this. Now press Shift A under mesh, select cylinder, switch to edit mode, then press S, then Z, then point 1 to scale on Z axis. Now turn on face selection mode. Double click on this face. Right click and select here extrude faces along normal. Then press point 2. Okay. Now press Ctrl R. Then give a loop cuts like this. Okay. Now press G. Then Z. Then minus point 1. Now press Ctrl B for edge bevel. Expand this bevel option and you can adjust from width and segment value. Now click on this modifier properties, then click on this add modifier and select here subdivision surface. Increase level viewport value. Now you will get such type of glitch on top face. So turn on face selection mode, then select this face, also holding shift and select bottom face. Then press I to insert face like this. Now switch to object mode and apply this modifier. Then click on this object data properties under this normals. Select here auto smooth. Now press shift A under mesh. Select here UV sphere. Now switch to edit mode by pressing tab. Then press S. Then 0.05. Now press G. Then Z to move on Z axis. Now right click and set it smooth. Then press 7 for top view. Now press G, then Y to move on Y axis like this. Then press G, then Z to move on Z axis. Select this sphere, then click on this physics properties, then click on this rigid body and select here type that is active. Okay, under this shape option we have to select here a sphere. Now select this mesh, then click on this rigid body properties, then change type from active to passive. Okay, and also under shape select here mesh. Now press space bar to play this animation. Nothing is happening, so press shift A. Under this force field we have to select force. Now we have to change strength value with negative number, because when you assign negative number then force field behave like magnets. So change here negative value, that is 180. Okay, now also under this scene properties, under this rigid body world, under this cast option we have to change and frame value. You can keep whatever you want. Okay, now also match this value with this value. Now press space bar to play this animation. Okay, so you can fix this. You have two options. You can either decrease strength of this force field or increase volume of this sphere. So in this case I am going to change its strength value. So click on this physics properties and I'm going to change its value, that is minus 170. You can experiment with different number. Okay, still this is too much. Change its value with minus 162. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.